In today's quick video, I'll show you how to round off totals in Zoho Books, the simplest way to make your invoices cleaner and easier to read. If you're tired of messy decimals on your bills, this setting will help you fix that instantly. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Zoho tutorials. Start by opening Zoho Books and heading to the settings menu, usually represented by the small gear icon on your dashboard. Once you're in, click on Preferences and then select the General tab. Now scroll down until you find the Rounding Off in Sales Transactions section. This is where you'll control how Zoho Books handles decimal values in your invoices. To make your totals round automatically, select the option that says Round off the total to the nearest whole number. This setting ensures every invoice total appears as a clean, rounded number. No confusing decimals, no cluttered bills. Once you've chosen your rounding rule, click Save to apply the changes. This step is important. It locks in your new settings and ensures all future sales transactions follow your rounding preference automatically. And that's it. Your Zoho Books account is now set to round off totals automatically. Your invoices will look neater, your reports cleaner, and your customers will appreciate the simplicity. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Zoho tutorials every day.